Good morning, everybody. Wagwan. So like I know I look crazy and crusty and just disgusting looking, and overnight I got this pimple. I don't know where it come from. I don't really get bump like that, but it's there for some strange reason. So I wanted to do this video for you guys today. It's going to be a vlog, but I'm going to be sharing a typical recording day for me. Now I just took the camera up and decided to do this because I never have challenged myself to record so many videos in one day. Today I want to record 4 videos. I'm going to be recording a hair video. I might record my try on haul. I'll be recording a story time and also a skincare video. So that's 4 videos. Alright, I'm just saying I'm going to record 4. It's either 3 or 4, but yeah, the maximum I normally go for is 3. So today is like the first time ever I'm recording so many videos in one day. I don't know, I just figured you guys would probably want to see this because I personally like sharing with you guys. So maybe, I don't know, I don't know if I like it and thing, but as I say, I'm crusty, I just wake up and this nail broke. This nail right here broke, so I have to repair it. And this is how I slay my nails without acrylic, guys. Like, so all I have to do now is just polish it, and yeah, that's it. So I already have a video on it, you guys know this, but if you want to see the video, just check the description bar or just go on the channel and look for it, you know, how to do your nails at home or whatever. But yeah, I'm having breakfast now. Let me show you guys what I'm having. I'm having scrambled eggs, nuggets, and some sausages, and of course I don't know, you have to have the KFC ketchup packets. But save them here, guys. And I'm having tea. I like a lot of tea, and this is my favorite. This is like red rose, guys. If you live in Jamaica, you know about that tea, but I love it. Typically when I'm about to record a video, I like to make sure that I'm full. Because I don't take breaks like throughout the day. I don't really stop to eat. I will drink something, probably some water, but that's it. And this is gonna be 4 videos, which means it's going to be hours and hours worth of recording. So I don't know, I just figured you guys probably want to see this. I might be wrong, but if you guys do like this video, let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, I have to set up my backdrop now. Marla is asleep finally, thank God. She kind of worked with me today. She's sleeping, so I have to set up my backdrop, have a shower, and then figure out what order I'm going to record the videos in. So this video is supposed to be interesting, guys. I just want to share with you guys. Let me know if you guys like when I share. So I was gonna do this on Snapchat, but I just like, why don't I just make a vlog? Because my snaps they go away after 24 hours anyway. So this is not a mukbang video. I told you guys I'm gonna make the mukbang, but this isn't it. It's 9:30. I have to start recording by 12. That's when I always aim to start recording by. So I'm gonna have to do that. Alright guys, I have my backdrop set up. I painted my nail and I'm waiting for it to dry, and I'm also transferring some files on my laptop so that my memory card can be free. So right now I'm just waiting for this nail to dry so I can go take a shower. This pimple is pissing me off. Oh, let me see if I can show you guys my setup. So this is what my setup looks like. This is my camera. This is the camera that I use to record. I've been telling you guys that it's a Canon T2i. It's actually a Canon T1i. Sorry. You guys always ask what camera I record with. So this is it on the tripod next to a window so that the natural light comes in on me. And this is where I put my products on top of this ottoman that babe made. He's so talented, my God, he's so talented. You guys see this? Ooh, yes. So I put my stuff on here. If I'm doing a makeup video, I put the stuff here, or a hair video, whatever, my combs, my makeup, and this is the camera, and you know, it just points this way at me. I also keep another chair right here to keep my makeup stuff on, so I'm gonna just throw everything from the chair there, so that it's easier for me. I just realized I'm recording 5 videos today instead of 4 videos. Interesting. These are the lights that I use to record. I have 2 of them. There's one right here. So I just use the 2 of those, one on either side, and they help me and give me light to record the beautiful videos for you guys. So yeah, video time. Okay guys, I am in the midst of my first video. I have no makeup on. Why does my lighting look so dark? Okay, there we go. I have no makeup on. Guess who joined me? Look at her. Yeah, so she was crying. She was around grandma's, and then she started to cry, so I ended up having to take her. So apparently she wants to watch me record, and she wants to play with her phone and her books. So all these clothes are for the try on haul, and then I'm gonna put some makeup on and come back and record the second part of this here video, and then I'm gonna record my second video. So yeah, we're on a roll. I have my contacts in. You guys don't know, the video on the contacts will be down below in the description bar, and I have this, you know, slaying my edges. That's gonna be the first video that I'm recording today. How to slay your lace front using Gorilla Knot. You guys saw like a preview of this in my video about this wig, and I just brushed out the curls, so now it's kind of kinky straight. Yeah, love it. Guys, I don't know why my camera be looking so dark, but I just finished recording the first video. I'm about to change and record the second video. Guys, am I the only one who just doesn't like recording videos in the same clothes? Call me crazy, but I feel weird when I have on the same clothes in different videos. It just feels weird to me. So I'm about to change, and that's also is one of like the serious struggles that we have as YouTubers. I can speak for myself. I hate wearing the same clothes in like different videos. It just feels weird. So if I do, it's probably like years apart or months apart of wearing the same thing. So like, you know, probably like next year or 2 years, you know. Literally make me feel like when I record another video, it just feel like the same video, you know. And I kind of use that as a marker too, because like I tend to remember what I was wearing when I recorded a particular video. Yeah, so but I'm gonna change now and put on this top and record video number 2. Marla fell asleep, and then she woke back up, so she's like over there like, my hungry, I want some tea. So I'm gonna feed her, change, and then record the second video. Somebody's hungry. Yes, Amar, leave you alone. Yummy. Guys, no matter what, I always have to take a break and feed her. Like, now I gotta record and make sure they're hungry. Can't do it. Can't do it at all. And she's like literally the best baby ever. Like, I tell you guys this, and it's so serious, guys. She allows me to do what I have to do. If she's fussy, like no, she gets a little bit fussy because she's teething again. She already has 4 teeth. She's getting some more teeth in soon, so she's like really needy. Like no, she just needs to be held a lot, and I don't mind, you know, but she still gives me time to do what I need to do. So I have to give thanks for that all the time. I swear, like God just carve her out for me. Carve her out. Look at her little face. My baby did. Okay guys, so I'm ready for the second video. I've tried like 5 lipsticks. I'm not feeling any of them. I'm about to put this one on, and it's the last one. It's the Infallible Lip Gloss by L'Oreal, and if it doesn't look good, I'm not wearing any lippy in this video, because I tried on too many. I'm just not feeling them. I tried on a purple, as you guys can see, it's still on my lips. But this is what I'm wearing for the second video, and this top is by my girl Fashion My Passion, and this video is about to be a story time. So I'm gonna put on this and then start recording. Again, Marla fell asleep. Okay guys, so I just finished recording video number 2. Not in such a great mood because of the type of video that it was, but you guys will see the video later on. It's a story time. But right now I'm gonna change, and oh, I have a lookbook, not a lookbook, try on haul to record now, so that's gonna be the next video. So I need to shake off this funky mood and record that video. Bae gets home at 4, so I have to, that's my deadline. Yeah, well, after 4, so I have to hurry up and finish recording before he gets here. Yeah, so that, you know, I can sort out back the place and take down my backdrop and all that stuff. So yeah, my mood is just jacked, guys. That video jacked my mood, but yeah, we're gonna get over it right now and record this try on haul. Okay guys, I'm now makeup free. That's because I just recorded like a mini skincare video for my Nola Skin Essentials products, and I took my wig off. So this is my real hair. Bebe is still asleep. She woke up like a couple times in between, but she went back to sleep. So right now I'm going to take my backdrop down. It's 3:02. I'm going to take the backdrop down now and pack up all my mess, clean up, and then record the final video for the day. Yeah, but guys, this is how my skin is looking, and this is after applying all of Nola Skin Essentials products. Let me get close to the window so you guys can see. That's my skin, that's my skin, that's my skin. And this right here is actually a mosquito bite, so it's not a pimple. But this girl right here, she's a pimple, and I don't know where the hell she came from, but she's irritating the crap out of me. But yeah, guys, my skin is pretty much still clear. In case you guys were wondering. Yeah, I'm wearing this sexy girl crop top that I was wearing in the intro of my clothing haul try-on video, which I just recorded. So I have lots and lots of clothes to pack up right now. So I'm gonna like transfer my files now from my, I'm out of breath, oh god, let me have a seat. So I'm gonna transfer my files now from my memory card to my hard drive so I can edit them. And I have this room to clean up. I have like a couple minutes. It's now 4:10, so any minute now ZJ can walk through the door, so I need to go clean up in here. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun. This is basically like a day in the life of me, like recording, filming day. I don't know, I just hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm working on my body, so I haven't eaten. I haven't even drank any water. Marla's grandma just came and got her. She was being so good, guys. It's unbelievable. She just played the whole time, and I'm talking hours. All I did was fed her, like that's it. I don't know if you guys will be seeing the vlog before you see the videos. Yeah, you'll definitely be seeing it probably in between me posting those videos. I think I want to put a video up tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to upload that and then publish tomorrow morning maybe. But yeah, that's gonna be my vlog, my zoo vlog. Let's go to the zoo. I just hope you guys are enjoying all these videos. It's hard work, but I love doing YouTube videos. I love being on YouTube, so I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying putting out content. You guys already know, show me love so that I feel like you know, like it's working. Yeah, like thumbs up if I ask, a thumbs up, you know, share, subscribe, all them good somebody stuff like that keeps YouTubers motivated, and I'm no less, keeps me motivated. So just thumbs up the video, show the love them, is me, cause I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video or in the next vlog. Until next time, bye.